Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, Naisha, repeat.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very good. Niti.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Maitri.
Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you, Mataji.
Very nice. Manvi.
Mataji,
Yes.
Divya can say
Yeah, Divya. Yes. Divya, sing.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Very nice, Divya.
Thank you.
Manvi.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes. Sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Nityanand.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Good. Siddhi.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, Siona.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay. Anant. Anant, we cannot hear you. Sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Now you can hear me.
Yes, yes.
Hare Krishna, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, very good. Nishant. Suraj, you'll sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Adrit, sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Very nice. Who is remaining now? Sudama, you will sing Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Who will repeat Tulsi Maharani prayers? Maitri, you repeat, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Vrindayai,
Vrindayai,
Tulsi Devyai,
Tulsi Devyai,
Priyayai,
Priyayai,
Keshavasya cha,
Kesavasya cha,
Krishna Bhakti,
Krishna Bhakti,
Prade Devi,
Tade Devi,
Satyavatyai,
Satyavatyai,
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha,
8 names of Tulsi Maharani are Vrindavani,
Vrindavani,
Vrinda,
Vrinda,
Vishwapujita,
Vishwapujita,
Pushpasara,
Pushpasara,
Nandini,
Nandini,
Krishnajivani,
Vishwajivani,
Vishwapavani,
Vishwapavani,
and Tulsi.
Tulsi.
Okay, now Narsimha mantra. Naisha, you'll repeat after me.
Yes, Mataji.
Sri Narsimha,
Shri Narasimha,
Jai Narsimha,
Jaya Narasimha,
Jaya Jaya Narsimha,
Jaya Jaya Narasimha,
Pralladesha,
Pralladesha,
Jaya Padma,
Jaya Padma,
Papadma,
Mukha Padma,
Bringa,
Bringa,
Sri Narsimha,
Shri Narasimha,
Jai Narsimha,
Jaya Narasimha,
Jaya Jaya Narsimha,
Jaya Jaya Narasimha,
Pralladesha,
Pralladesha,
Jaya Padma,
Jaya Padma,
Mukha Padma,
Mukha Padma,
Bringa.
Bringa,
One more time. Sri Narsimha,
Shri Narasimha,
Jai Narsimha,
Jaya Narasimha,
Jaya Jaya Narsimha,
Jaya Jaya Narasimha,
Pralladesha,
Pralladesha,
Jaya Padma,
Jaya Padma,
Mukha Padma,
Mukha Padma,
Bringa.
Bringa.
Very good. Now Nityanand, you sing Narsimharti. Everyone repeat after him, okay?
Namaste Narasimhaya,
Namaste Narasimhaya,
Daladadaine,
Dala Dala Dadaine,
Hiranyakasi Purvakshaha,
Hiranyakashipurakshah,
Shrilatankanakalaye,
Tilatanka Nakhalaye,
Pito Nasima Parato Nasima,
Ito Narsimha Bharato Narsimha,
Yato Yato Yami Tato Nasima,
Yato Yato Yami Tato Narsimha,
Vahi Nasima Hridaye Nasima,
Kahir Narsimha Hridaye Narsimha,
Narasimha Madim Sharanam Prapade,
Narasimha Madim Sharanam Prapade,
Tava Kara Kamala Varena Nokha. What is it? Tava Kara Kamala Varena Nakham Adbhuta Singha. दलिता हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गां केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे.
Okay, everyone repeat. तव कर कमलवरे नखा अद्भुत श्रृंगा ललिता हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृता नरहरिरूपा जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय नरसिंहदेव
नरसिंहदेव जय नरसिंहदेव जय नरहरि 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 जय नरहरि जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 जय शिल प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव 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 जय जय गुरुदेव निताय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल.
विघ्न विनाशक नरसिंह देव भगवान की
जय
प्रहलाद महाराज की
जय
जय गौर प्रेमानंद
हरि
हरि हरि बोल. Everyone is still हरि हरि बोल. So we'll chant this Ganga Devi prayers. Everyone chant. Oh
Goddess Ganga, oh Goddess Ganga,
worshipable for every soul,
worshipable for every soul,
except the lamps of our hearts.
except the lamps of our hearts.
Pray take us to Krishna's abode.
Take us to Krishna's abode.
Okay, very good. Now we have finished our prayers. We'll start with the class. Everyone has come, no? Okay, so we had last time activity was doing crossword. So everyone found it difficult or it was easy?
It was easy, Mataji.
It was easy. Okay. When you read the PPT, in PPT is there, na? The names are there. Okay. In the crossword it was not there, but when you read the PPT it was there. Nityanand, why you didn't do?
Mataji, exam has started. My
Huh?
exam. My
Okay,
exam has started.
Okay.
And my today is my exam.
Okay. Hare Krishna, Nidhi. Okay, so everyone did very nicely. They did it with pencil. Very good. We have Suraj, Naisha, Nidhi, Siddhi, Vidhi, Niti, Siona, Maitri, Man, and Jai Mata. Everyone has done very nicely. Okay, so you get 5 points. Those who do the activity, they all get 5 points. Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
So we'll revise with the 9 processes. First one is Shravanam. What does Shravanam mean? What does Shravanam
Hearing.
Hear. What hearing? Hearing what?
Krishna stories.
Krishna stories.
Hearing stories of Lord Krishna. Okay, and who did Shravanam and went to Krishna?
Parikshit Maharaj.
Second is Kirtanam. What does Kirtanam?
Doing bhajan of Krishna.
Doing
Lord
bhajan
Krishna.
or telling stories or bhajans to others. Then first was Kirtan, na? In Kirtanam you tell to others. Okay? Or you chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. That's all comes in Kirtanam. And who did Kirtanam? Yes.
Sukhdev Goswami.
Sukhdev Goswami told story to Parikshit Maharaj. Then third is Vishnu Smarana. Vishnu Smarana means thinking. Vishnu Smarana means what?
Thinking.
Yes, always remember.
Always
Remembering Lord Krishna.
Krishna's.
Lord Krishna, always remembering. Because we think with our mind, no? We think with our mind. So Vishnu Smarana means thinking or remembering. And Hare Krishna, Ananya and Abang. So who did Vishnu Smaranam? Who does?
Prahlad Maharaj.
Prahlad Maharaj.
Maharaj did Vishnu Smarana and went to Krishna. And fourth is Pada Sevana.
Serving Lord Krishna's feet.
Yes.
Lotus feet.
Pada Sevana means worshipping lotus feet of
Lotus
Lord.
of Lord Krishna.
Yes. Who worships?
Lakshmi Mata.
Lakshmi Devi.
Always engaged. You have seen photo in which Lord Vishnu is sleeping on Ananta Shesh and Lakshmi Devi is massaging the legs, no?
Yes.
Then fifth is Archana. What does Archana mean?
Joining hands to
Praying.
No, not praying.
Joining hands to God.
Archana means
Worship
performing aarti.
that.
Archana action is like this, doing aarti, doing puja and aarti. And who did Archanam? Who did Archanam and went to Krishna? Is Prithu Maharaj. I have to tell the story of Prithu Maharaj. I will tell next time. I'll tell the story of Prithu Maharaj. Yes, Prithu Maharaj. Next is Vandana. Vandana means folding hands and telling prayers. That is Vandana. Okay? Vandana means telling prayers, reciting prayers. And who did Vandanam? Who does?
Maharaj.
Yes, Akrur Maharaj. Lord Krishna's uncle. Did Vandanam. Then seventh is Dasyam. What does Dasyam mean? Dasyam.
Being servant of
Servant
Lord
of
Krishna.
God.
Yes, becoming servant of
Servant of Lord.
servant. And who does that?
Hanuman.
Yes, correct, Hanuman. Everyone's favorite Hanuman. No? And then eighth is Sakya. What does Sakya mean?
Friendship.
Becoming a friend of Krishna.
Lord.
Yes.
Becoming
friend,
dear friend
Lord Krishna. Of Lord. Who is Krishna's friend?
Arjuna.
Arjuna. Arjuna.
And ninth is Atma Nivedana. Atma Nivedana.
Means surrender.
Complete surrender.
Yes, last complete surrender. Correct. Complete surrender to Lord. And who did?
Ali Maharaj.
Last time we saw the story of King Bali. Maharaj did. Yes. Everyone remembers the story of Bali Maharaj?
Yes.
Okay. So we have revised now. I'll keep a quiz. And month end we'll keep a quiz. Okay. So now we'll go. Today's story is about. Today's story is about a heavenly flying elephant. Okay. Anyone has seen a flying elephant?
Yes, Mataji.
No, Mataji.
No, na? Okay, so we'll hear the story, and please everyone be on mute, okay, or else you won't be able to listen to the story. Okay, okay. So now this story is from Bihar. This story is from Bihar, and what happened is one time there was a farmer whose name was Chajju. Now Chajju had a cauliflower farm, and you have seen farm. There is farm. There is farm of sugarcane. There is farm of cauliflower, palak, potato, and so this Chajju had a farm of cauliflower, and he was checking all the cauliflower plant, and suddenly what did he see? Half of his cauliflower was gayab. It was not there, and just he was going to take the cauliflower to the market. At that time he saw that, where did my cauliflower go? Who is the thief? And then he thought that today at night only someone has come, because in daytime everyone is moving. Daytime the thief won't come. Who is this? Who did this? So he said that today night I will catch the thief, and today night I'm not going to sleep and I'll see who is the thief. And so he thought like this. And so at night what happened is he stayed awake. He thought that he decided that I'm not going to sleep and I'll uh, keep a watch at night. And suddenly in the midnight around 12 o'clock, what happened is there was a flying elephant. A white elephant came from the sky, and then no, he had not seen such elephant, and it was like it had a beautiful necklace, it had ornaments, and it was white in color, and it was flying, and it landed in Chajju's farm. So Chajju thought that what is this? Who is this thing? I have not seen a white elephant. Also is very rare, and plus this is flying. So, and what did it do? As soon as he came down, it started eating all the gobbling, all the cauliflower in that farm because it was big and huge. So he started eating all the cauliflower. And now this Chajju was surprised. What should I do? Should I? I cannot beat him with the stake because it looks like a king elephant. It has so many ornaments and everything. He was thinking, what should I do? What should I do? And suddenly he thought that I think this elephant is some magical elephant. So this elephant was again going to fly. What did he do? This Chajju caught his tail. And when he caught his tail, so what happened? The elephant started flying. And it flew over the hills, flew over the mountains, it flew over the moon and stars. And Chajju held it tightly, like you held, no, because you cannot leave or then you'll fall down. So he held the elephant's tail very tightly. He held it, and the elephant was flying. You can see that he crossed over the sun, the clouds, and everywhere. The elephant was flying, and Chajju was also flying with him. And finally, the elephant landed somewhere, and it was very beautiful. There was rainbows, there was waterfall, and it was very beautiful. And Chajju realized where he had come. He had come to heaven. That elephant was a servant of Indra, and he liked cauliflower, which was not there that time at heaven. So it came to Chajju's form to eat cauliflower. And so he was very happy. Every one of us, if we go to heaven, we will be happy, na? Because heaven is very beautiful. And so, like that, Chajju was so happy. He was a simple farmer, and there he saw beautiful palaces. There he saw waterfall, lotus flower. He saw many nice, beautiful things. But the best of all, what did he saw? He saw a big, huge pot of halwa. You have seen this halwa means shira. Mummy makes shira at home.
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
it's my favorite.
Yes, shira. In that shira, you can see there are dry fruits and everything. There's a huge pot, such a huge pot that there was a ladder to climb into that pot. And so this Chajju became so happy that he jumped into the pot and then he started eating all that halwa. And it was his favorite. Like someone of you's favorite must be there, na shira?
Mine.
Yes, yes, like yours, Chajju's favorite was also shira. And so what did he do? He started eating, and then finally his stomach became so big and he had eaten all how much he could eat. He ate. And finally he said that now I've eaten, now it's time to go back home. So he came where the elephant had landed him. Now he came again searching for that place, and this elephant was ready to go down again to eat the cauliflower. So Chajju, what did he do? He again caught the elephant's tail and he came back to his home. So now what happened is when he came back, he wanted to tell everyone of his experience in heaven. What did he do? So he waked up his wife and Kamla, you know what happened? I had gone to heaven and it was so beautiful. And best of all, there was so much halwa and I ate so much halwa. And then what he didn't stop with his wife. He went to his neighbor. He went to his neighbor who was sick. He told him. Then he went to his cook. There was a cook, the village cook. He told him that like this, that I had gone to heaven. And the whole village came to know because he was telling everyone that I had gone to heaven, and there was shira and I ate shira. So everyone asked him, how much shira was there? how much Shira was there. So what did it? This much, like this huge, this much Shira was there. And so like this, everyone was very happy. And then they said that everyone was asking how big was the pot, how big was the pot, because everyone wanted to know that how much food is there. Na? So everyone he was telling, and then Chaju said that that elephant comes every day in my farm, so why don't you all come and join me? So today we'll go and every one of us will eat shira. And so you can see everyone had gathered in Chaju's farm in the night, and they were waiting for the elephant. Waiting. Again at midnight, the elephant came. And then the elephant came and they said that come on, let's catch its tail. But Chaju said that wait, we don't want to frighten the elephant. If it will see so many animals, so many people, what will happen? The elephant will run away. He does not know that we know na, that this is elephant of heaven. So let him eat all the cauliflowers, and then slowly we'll catch its tail. Then after some time, when the elephant had eaten all half the field it had eaten of cauliflower, then they all said that come on, let's go. And they all caught, and Chaju caught the elephant's tail, and Chaju's leg, his wife Kamla caught, and another villager caught, and like that, that made a chain of people. And the elephant was flying, and below with the tail, all those people were flying. So they flew for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. 1 hour happened, and 2 hour happened. Now the people were losing patience, because if you are holding like this hand for so long, how much time you can hold? You can hold for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, na? But the distance was very far. From earth to heaven, it takes hours, no? So now these people were getting bored, like what we should do. So they said that come on, let's speak. Then they told Chaju, have we reached there? Can you see heaven? So Chaju said that no, there is still time. Okay, how much time it will take? He said that I don't know. How will I know? It will take time. So then again, all the people asked question. How big was the pot of halwa? You said there is lot of halwa, no? How big was the pot of halwa? And what did Chaju do? How did he show? How did he show? He showed like this. And what happened when he showed like this?
They all
They all fell down. Yes, all of them fell down, and all of them fell down into the sea, and they fell down with such loud noise that elephant so suddenly got up. He was in sleep only. The elephant got up and heard that array such big noise, and he ran away. He flew away very fast, and he said that I'm never going to come again. This huge noise frightened them. And so these people, what happened is they lost the chance to go to heaven also, and they lost the chance to get halwa also. So you understood what is the moral of the story is that little patience. You should have a little patience. So if the villagers had waited for some time, what would have happened? They would have gone to heaven and they would have enjoyed there, na? But they did not have patience. So what happened is they fell down into the sea. Okay, so now what we understand from this story is that the same thing, that if villagers had been more patient for some time, what would have happened? They would have reached heaven and they would have eaten the halwa. So we also have to be patient. Like whenever we are drawing, whenever you are learning to draw, whenever you are learning to ride a bicycle, or learning to play musical instrument, anything, or learning to read. So what happens is sometimes you get bored, na? Ki, it's not possible. Sometimes even spellings or maths also you tell, na, it's very difficult. मेरे सर में नहीं जा रहा, जाने दो. Like that it happens. It happens. So sometimes you get bored. So we should not leave it halfway. We should do slowly with patience. Because when the patience is, we do with patience, then what happens? We get success. No? In online schooling also, you get bored sitting in front of the class. Then sometimes there is no net and you shout at mommy and tell, where is the net? Where is the net? You do like this?
No.
No?
Mataji,
Yes.
I am attending this class because it's period now.
Okay.
So I might see you anytime.
Okay, fine. Okay. So in that, like this in online class, we sometimes get impatient, na? Or sometimes mummy also gets impatient. How many times you are calling? How many times you are calling for give me book, give me pencil? Like that, it happens, no? But what we should do, we should know, we should be patient, because everyone is trying, no? In this time, everyone is. It's so difficult sitting for online classes, but you have to be patient because it's the only way we'll learn, no? And so, if you have small siblings like Divya is there, sometimes you get Niti, you get angry with Divya. It is not this. If you have younger brothers or sisters, sometimes they irritate you, know, like Moksha must be beating Siddhi sometimes. No, like that happens if younger siblings are there. No, so we should be patient. We should teach them. Like grandparents are there, they are old, they cannot walk, they ask you to get water and all. So that also we should be patient. Okay. So, and if you feel very patient, like you have a free period or you don't know what to do, so you should not take your mobile and start playing games. What you should do, you have some free time, you should chant all the mantra, you should revise all the shlokas. You should not, teacher is not there, come on, let me play my game. You should not do like that. Okay, understood? Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, so we'll play. You like the story of the elephant?
Yes, Mata.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mata.
Okay, so we'll play now Antakshari.
No, Mata.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, nice. Naisha, you start with one name of Krishna. Any name.
Narsimha.
Okay, Narsimha. Okay, A, we have Abhang and Ananya, you tell with A.
Yes, Mataji. From A, na?
Huh.
From A, Mataji, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
From A, there is Mataji, there is Arjun.
Arjun. Okay, and N?
Mataji, what?
N, Arjun na N.
Narsimha.
Narsimha only Naisha said. Another name with N. Fast, I'll start tick, tick, 1, tick, tick, 2.
51.
Hello?
Yes.
53.
Narayan. Okay. Okay, Nityanand Pardeshi with N.
Nityanand.
Okay, it's very easy. Your name only, no? Okay, Siona with D. D. Hmm. It's simple.
Daman.
Damodar.
Daman.
Daman. Okay.
Daman or Pichish.
Okay, I don't know what is Daman. What is the meaning of Daman?
It's a person's name. It was a story.
Okay. Wait, Maitri, N, you know with N.
No, ma'am. I know with N.
Okay. Siddhi with N.
Mataji, Narayan.
Narayan is told, na? Narayan and Narsimha and Nityanand are done.
Mataji, 1 second.
Okay, Vidhi knows. Okay, Vidhi tell.
Narohari.
Narahari. Okay, Narahari. Okay. With I, okay. Harini, you tell with I. Nidhi, you tell with I. I, you know.
Indra.
Ma'am, I know with I.
Indra. Okay. Okay, Maitri, you know with A.
Arjun.
Arjun is told, na? Arjun is told.
Ashok.
Ashok. Okay, Ashok will take. Ashok is one name of Krishna. So we have K. Siddhi with K. K is so simple. K.
Mataji, can I tell?
Okay, Niti, tell.
Krishna.
See, the K is so simple. Krishna, no? Okay, Suraj, A, you know, A.
Mataji, I know.
Okay, tell, Siddhi, tell A.
Aghasur.
Ghasur. Okay, Man, R, any
Radha.
Radha. Okay. We have Nityanand, A. There are many names with A. Okay, Anant, you know any name with A?
Mataji, can I say?
Okay, Harini, tell.
Achyuta.
Achyuta. Okay, Achyuta. T. Anant, you tell with T. Any name with T? T is very simple.
Trivikram.
Trivikram. Oh, very good. And Tishita with M. Okay, Jay Madhav with M. Trivikram. M.
M. Madhav.
Madhav. V, no? Adrit with V, you know, V. V, any name with V?
B Damodar kada.
V.
Damodar.
V for van. V for van. V.
Mataji, can I say?
Vishnu.
Okay, very good, Vishnu. Okay, you who knows with you? You is
Ma'am,
with. Okay, tell
Can I
man.
say?
Yes.
Uttar.
Uttar. Okay. Uttar is son of. Uttar son is.
Ma'am, in the Mahabharata, when the five Pandavas and their mothers and their wife were Agyatwas, they stayed in the. I don't know that king's name, but they stayed in kingdom. His son name there.
Yes, his son name was Uttar. Yes. And so R. Naisha, you know with R.
Rukmani.
Okay, Rukmani. Ananya Dabang with I.
Mataji, can I tell?
No, let this to try. I.
Indra.
Indra is done.
Ishwar.
Ishwar. Okay, R. Siona R.
Mataji, Abhanga is not done. Abhanga is not done.
Radharani.
Radharani. Okay. Again, I only is there. Abang, tell with I.
Yes, Mataji. Wait a second. Indradyumna, Mataji.
Indradev is done.
Indradyumna, I said.
Indradyumna. Okay, very good. Indradyumna. A na. Okay, Siddhi A.
Arjun.
Mataji, Arjun.
Then how many times you tell Arjun? 3 times you have told
Ashoka
Arjun.
Chakra.
Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka is also told. Achyutam is told.
Mataji, can I tell?
Yes, tell Jai Mat.
Anantashesh.
Anantashesh. Yes, Anantashesh is there.
Dhruv Maharaj.
Huh? Akrur Maharaj. Yes. There are so many names with.
Ma'am,
Okay, I have to make a.
Mataji,
Yes.
another from A is Anirudh.
Yes, Anirudh, one of Krishna's name. Anirudh is there. I have to make a list of names from A to Z. So you can read it once, na? So it will be easy. Okay, I'll send the names, list of names. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
The Abhimanyu is also there.
Yes, Abhimanyu is also. Yes. There are many names with A.
Abhang.
Abang is also there.
Ananya.
Yes, Ananya is also there. Who else is there? Adrit is also there. Yes. Okay, so now we'll go with the next story. That is story of Srila Prabhupada, who is the founder, who has founded ISKCON. That is the society, no, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the Hare Krishna temple, who has founded. How many of you have gone to ISKCON temple in June?
Mataji, I also gone. Mataji, is it this year June? Mataji, even I have gone.
Yes, every one of us has gone, na? So you have seen.
Yes.
Mataji, in my birthday, I was gone in temple.
You had gone. You had visited the temple. So
Mataji, I was on my birthday. Mataji, I visited on my birthday in Bengaluru ISKCON, Mataji.
okay, very good. So whenever we go to ISKCON temple, first we see this statue of Prabhupada. Everyone has seen.
Yes, yes,
We have
Mataji.
seen. So we offer pranam. Na? So we offer pranam. Na? So today we'll see the story how Prabhupada established ISKCON. Okay. So we'll start now. What happened is Srila Prabhupada when he was 69 years old. 69 years old, what happened is he had only how much rupees? 40 rupees he had. And he thought that I have to spread the message of Krishna to America. Because in India, what happens is like we see now, all foreigners are doing what we see Western people. Oh, Western people are wearing jeans, so we should also wear jeans. Western people are listening to rap music, so we should also listen to disco music. So Indians always follow what Americans do. So Prabhupada was trying so hard to get all the Indians chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, but they were not doing because in every home there is a temple, everyone does puja, na? So they were telling this is not nothing new, so no one was taking it seriously. So Prabhupada said that let me go to America and I will teach the foreigners and teach the Americans, and when they learn, what will happen, the Indians will follow the Americans because we are impressed by the Western world, no? So, but this Hare Krishna Mahamantra and chanting and all started, it did not start at the age of 69 years. It started when he was a small child, like 6-7 years, like you children are, na? What happened is his name, Prabhupada's name, you can see AC stands for Abhay Charan. So when he was small, Prabhupada's name was Abhay Charan. So Abhay Charan lived in Calcutta with his parents, and they every day they used to, like you do Tulsi puja and puja of the in temple, no? Like that they also used to do puja in temples, and Abhay Charan had small deities of Radha Krishna. And once what happened is father took him to Rath Yatra. In next 12th July we have Rath Yatra in Jagannath Puri. So for that Rath Yatra also his father took him. He was very happy to see Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and when he came back, what did he tell his parents? I also want a Rath Yatra. I also want to do a Rath Yatra. So his father made a small Rath for him, and then what did Abhay Charan do? He took the toll in the Rath Yatra. He placed his small dolls of Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and within the whole compound, like you play cycle within the whole compound, like that in the whole compound, he took his Rath in all over the compound. And on seeing Jagannath, Baldev, everyone was so happy, and his mother made a beautiful feast of halwa, puri, shira for everyone, and all the children were dancing, and it was very fun. They had a small Rath Yatra within their compound. So when he was small, so from that he loved Krishna and used to pray to Krishna. And when he got bigger, he went to college. At that time, what was happening is, at that time India was under British rule. So people were telling that how we were thinking that how to remove British from India. They were thinking like that. And during that time, one big guru, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, came to Calcutta. And Abhay Charan's friends also told him that, come on, let's meet this guru. But Abhay Charan was not having so much faith because there were many gurus, na? But he said, okay, let us go to visit this guru. And then Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, on seeing Abhay Charan, he said that now Abhay Charan, you know English. So what you should do, I have written books in Bengali. There is no one to write in English. So what you should do, you should write my books in English and you should preach to the English speaking people. So what will happen, they are intelligent, those who speak English, read English, they are intelligent, and so they will come to Hare Krishna and they will chant Hare Krishna. So Prabhupada said okay, and he started doing. Finally, when he took he regularly followed all those the guru said, and finally what happened, he took sannyas. Sannyas means leaving the home, and only what you have to do, you have to preach names of Krishna and you have to completely surrender yourself. So he was there in Vrindavan, and in Vrindavan he used to write many books, and that was the only source of income. He used to write books and he used to publish them and he used to sell them, and he used to write book and he used to take them to all big people. Like you can see in the right, there is the prime minister is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The photo of Lal Bahadur Shastri is that. He was a former prime minister of India. He took the books, Bhagavatam book, to him, and he told them, please see this book, I want to spread the name of Krishna, can you help me, can you help me? But in politics, that no one was ready to hear about Krishna. No, they are all busy in making India a better place because Britishers had gone, and no one was interested. So, but Prabhupada had a mission. What was the mission? His guru had told him that you have to tell about Krishna to whom? To the English speaking people. And where are the English speaking people? They are in West, that is in America. So Prabhupada said that if I go to America, then only this mission will be possible. And so what did he do? At that time, there was a shipping company. It was owned by Scindias. Scindias, even now Scindias are a big company, and in earlier, the goods used to travel by waterway. From ships they used to travel. Now we have flight, no, by flight also goods are transported. But during that time there were huge cargo ships. In cargo ships, what used to be there, they used to put all the things, and from India, US, and from US to China, from China to India, like that the ships used to travel. And this India company, the owner was Sumati Murarji. And this Prabhupada every day used to sit outside her office and ask her, please give me a ticket in your cargo ship, I want to go to America, please give me a ticket. And Sumati Murarji used to tell that you are 69-year-old, and how you will survive in America? In America, they don't even know what is vegetarian food, and you don't even eat onion garlic also. How you will survive? You will die there. I cannot send you, I cannot send you. But then Prabhupada told that I want to follow my guru's wish, so please give me a ticket. So Sumati Morarji said that I'll give you a return ticket. You visit for 1 month and you return back in that same ship. So he said okay, and then he left, and then he prayed to Krishna, he prayed to his guru, and he sat on that ship, and the ship's name was Jaladut. And in Jaladut, it used to start from Calcutta, and Calcutta it could go to Chennai, and from Chennai it would go to America, and the total it would take 35 days to reach to US from India. So like that, in that ship, the ship reached the middle of the ocean, and there was a storm and there was lightning, and it was such a bad condition that what happened is Srila Prabhupada was very sick. Because in sea, when if you have traveled in a ship, when you see water all sides, what happens, you feel like vomiting. There is a sea sickness is there. Plus if the ship goes up and down, what happens, the stomach also starts moving, no, so you feel like vomiting. So like that it was happening, and then Srila Prabhupada, he got 2 heart attacks. And then finally he said that I'm not going to be able to go to US and preach. What should I do? So he prayed to Krishna, and then at that night Krishna came in his dream, and along with Krishna on that ship there were many people, there were all the incarnations. There's Narsimhadev, Vamandev, Varahadev, everyone, and they were pulling the ship. They're pulling Srila Prabhupada's ship, that is Jalduta. They were pulling. And then finally, then Prabhupada was okay. He reached America, and then there was another challenge because people in America, they don't know about God. And in that time, there were a lot of people who were taking drugs, and these people did not know anything. They did not used to uh, take bath also. They were very uncultured people. And there Prabhupada took a room and he was staying. But what happened? Sometimes his typewriter someone stole, sometimes his book someone stole, sometimes there was lots of trouble, and he could not do anything. He could not preach about Krishna. Finally, after 1 year of struggle, the people started understanding that, oh, this someone is there who has come from India, and he is trying to teach us about Krishna. Slowly, there were lectures, and many people used to join. And finally, what happened in whole of America, everyone learned about Srila Prabhupada and Krishna. And there was in garden, there used to be this kirtan party used to be there, and the lots and lots of people joined slowly, because the few people who learned about Krishna, they told others, and like that, many people, there were like lectures were there in temple. There was a Bhagavad Gita was kept in university for studying. Then slowly people started understanding about Krishna. Then Prabhupada did a Rath Yatra also there. In the truck, they put Lord Jagannath, Baldev, Subhadra, and they did the Rath Yatra. And finally, what happened is the Westerners who did not know anything, who did not know how to means how to worship Krishna and anything. Prabhupada taught them how to do deity worship, how to do aarti, how to take care of cows, how and small children. He set up Gurukul for them, and then how to do kirtan. All he taught, and these people he finally brought them to India. And when Indians saw that, Arey, these Americans are doing Hare Krishna and they are chanting so much, so nicely, what happened? Indians also started taking seriously Hare Krishna Mahamantra and ISKCON, and then many people joined ISKCON. So Srila Prabhupada spoke to all the big people and said that we have to build temples, because if there are temples, people will come and learn about Krishna. Na? Because then if there are no temples, how will they come to know? So he established, there's a beautiful temple in Vrindavan, that is Krishna Balram temple. Anyone of you has gone to Vrindavan?
Yes,
No?
Mataji.
No,
Yes.
Mataji.
Okay, so we'll go. Okay, we'll go one day. There is a beautiful Krishna Balram temple, and there is a Bombay Jew ISKCON temple that everyone has been. Na? So that's Srila Prabhupada done, and he started a project in Mayapur, that is birthplace of Lord Chaitanya. Okay, so then then in such a short span, 12 years of life, how many times he circled the whole globe? He circled 14 times. He circled the entire globe. It's not possible for a common person, but Srila Prabhupada visited all the places like Moscow, Tokyo, Africa, everywhere he was preaching. And finally he said that finally he was, when he was 81 years old, he said that now take me to Vrindavan. Now I am very old, now it's not possible, and his all devotees and all disciples were taking care of ISKCON. So he went to Vrindavan. From there he went to the spiritual world, that is Krishna's place. Okay, so now if we tell that we also want to Srila Prabhupada, yes Siona?
Can I leave because I have another class?
Yes, Siona, you can. Okay, so we can see that even though Prabhupada is not with us, we have lots of books, like we have Krishna book, Bhagavad Gita book. And what does Prabhupada tell us? Prabhupada told us that we have to chant holy name of Krishna. That is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So when we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, what happens? Srila Prabhupada gives us blessings. Okay, so this is the story of Prabhupada, and the activity is you have to, these are the 7 points, and you have to make you have to make design on a paper. Any paper you can make. Any paper you can make a design, a border, and then you write these 7 points. Okay. It's very simple. There is you will just make like a paper. You color it nicely, like you can do border, and you just write what is written like in this manner. You just write and keep it. Okay, so you can remember about Srila Prabhupada. Okay, understood the
Sure,
activity?
Mataji.
Will you
Yes, Mataji.
with 7 points?
Yes, yes. I'll send the PPT. Na, in the PPT there will be the points. Okay, you have to write. You just have to read and you have to write. Okay, and you have to remember also. Okay, you should not forget it. Okay, understood the activity? I'll send the YouTube link also for borders, the simple, easy borders you can do. You can take your full scape book, any book you can do, and you can do it.
Okay, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, yes, Nidhi.
Even we can do our own?
Yes, you can do on your own also.
Yes.
Okay, any way you do. You just have to write and you have to remember it. Okay, so we'll end the session. We'll chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra once. Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare,
Hare Rama, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama, Rama Rama, Hare